Good morning, student. Myself, Sujita Mahesh, and today I am representing the chapter Golden India beginning to 1206 AD. And student, this is the part 9, and it is the last part of this chapter. Now, let me tell you about the Pallava dynasty. Ruler of the dynasty ruled the present day district of Arcot, Madras, Tiruchirappalli, and the Tanjavur. In the inscription, the mention of the first Pallava king is Vishnu Gopa of the Kanchi. Shiva Vishnu ascended the throne in the second half of the 6th century. After that, Pallavas ruled for about 2 centuries. Major Pallavas king included. Student, let me tell you, Pallavas are known for the sign of Varma. So, if you heard the Varma, you can imagine this person was related to the Pallava dynasty. Now, the Pallavas dynasty kings, the many major kings were Mahendra Varma 1, Arshima Varma 1, Narsimha Varma 1 and 2, Parmeshwar Varma 1 and 2, Nandi Varma 1 and 2. Next is last the ruler was Aparichit. Mahendra Varma defended the Chaluka Kulakeshwan II in around 610 AD. It said Mahendra Varma was one of the great architecture. He built many temples of carved with stones. Mahendra Varma I was wrote a play named known as a Matta Vishlas Prasannas. He also got dung to the Mahendra pound also. He defended Chaluka king Kushalavarnas in the 6th-10th AD. I had just mentioned this one also in this one. Next it says that Mahendra Varma's son successor was a Narsimha Varma, and he was made a Mahamalas defended. उन्होंने बहुत सारे इंस्क्रिप्शंस या आर्किटेक्चर्स बनाए जिसमें से एक बेस्ट था महाबलीपुरम. But before that, I want to show you the map of the Pallavas time. Now it says that Chaluka's king Vikram Aditya defended Pallava's king Parameshwaram and occupied the capital Kanchi. And then some of the Pallavas rulers were also devoted here Vishnu, and while other was the worship of the Shivas. And students, I just want to show you that earlier I tell you that they made many in architecture look, and one of the best Pallavas period was the Mahabalipuram, and it is built by the 5 रथ से बना के ये temples बनाया गया है, the carrots temples over there. Now the next I am showing the next temple related to Pallavas dynasty. Now next is the Chalukya dynasty. Chalukya king Pulakeshin I had performed Ashwamedha Yagya at that time, and Chalukyas of Vatapi ruled from 550 AD to 757 AD, excluding 30 years. That means some 30 years was 642 AD and 655 AD was a year where they were fighting with other kings. Among that, it was says that Chalukyas ruled was the fourth king, who was Pulakeshin II, was most famous ruler. He occupied the throne of 628 AD. His empire extended from Narmada to Kanyakumari. That means Narmada in north to Kanyakumari river south. He defended Pallava's king Narsimha Varma in 642. Narsimha Varma 642. Pulakeshin's son, that means Vikram Aditya, re-established glorious Chalukyas. Chaluka king Vikram Aditya defended the Rakshakunta king in 673 AD and found the new Chaluka destiny by making the Kalyani as the capital. Later next we are talking about the Chola's king Rajadhiraja defended Satyashrera, a Chaluka king, but Someshwara but the Someshwara uh, avenged the defended Pallavas, Vikram Aditya. Chaluka's king built temples. He protected many Hinduism. Instead of that, he was also also we can say that the famous jurist Vijaya Neshwara, who had composed the Mitakshara, and he was also regarded as the official book of Hindu law. Now, student, let me talk about the external invention of the assimilation, Shaka, Hunas, and Kushanas. Now, student, let me tell you, अभी तक तो हम अपने अभी तक हमने बात की थी अपने अंदर के इंडिया के अंदर ही जो फाइट हुई थी उसके बारे में बात की थी, बट नाउ वी आर टॉक अबाउट द एक्सटर्नल, जो बाहर से आए थे उन लोगों के बारे में. Shakas and warriors tribals of Central Asia, which had occupied the entire region of Western Afghanistan and the Baluchistan. ये वाला पार्ट आपको नहीं मिलेगा, so make sure this one in your mind कि Shakas have a 5 branches like Afghanistan, Punjab, Mathura, Western India and Ujjaini. It is external by my side. Now next I want to say that in Ramayana and the Mahabharata, Shaka's colony have been mentioned among the Kambojas and Yavanas. They were addressed as a Shangakul, and they established a Shankar ruler in the Saurashtra by occupying India, Indus, that means the Sindhu region. It is clear from the extended coin and edicts that one of their branch established its domination in Uttarapad and Mathura. Among the lapse of the time, they spread Avanti, Saurashtra and Maharashtra. Sorry. Next, let me tell you the Shakas. The two ruler at that time, there was a two ruler in the Shakas named Bhumak and the Nahapan. They were very famous, but लेकिन उनकी बात ये थी कि वो हर किसी देश राज्य को हड़प करना चाहते थे. It was said Napa defender Gautami Putra Shatakarni. In Nasik inscription, Gautami Satakarni has been described as a destroyer of Kshatriya dynasty. King Chastan, who established a Shaka dynasty in the Ujjaini and Kanthiawar. Kashtani's grandson Rudraman was an important ruler at that time, but let me tell you that Rudraman was one of the famous because he was extended his empire from east western Malwa, Dwarika, Junagadh, Sabarmati river, Marwa, not a Marwad but Marwad, I would say 1 point something he was established it or occupied it. Indus Valley, northern Konkan, Vidya mountain range. He was expanded his destiny till 305 AD. Now let me talk about the Hunas. Hunas was a barbaric tribals of Central Asia, just like a Shakas, entire India from northwestern frontiers, and they were also known as a Daitya. First, they were during these Shakas Guptas is around 458 AD and were defended after some time. A chief named Toraman destroyed the Gupta Empire and gained control of Punjab, Rajputana, Sindh and Malwa. Toraman's son Mihir Kulas region began from the 510 AD, and he was hit. That means you have to write this point also. Mihir Kulas was hit Buddhist bhikshus. He destroys many monarchies and stupas. Malwa's king Yashodharma defended him. After defended, he went to the Kashmir and established the empire. And called as at that time, after the invention of Hunas, I will say Gupta Empire came to the end and political unity of India ended also. The country was again divided into small part. At that time, the country was also again divided into the small part. Now let me talk about the Kushanas dynasty, and it was also known as, or also known by the Yushchis and the Torachian, and they were divided into the 5 part at that time. Next is next week we are talking about the Kunjulas, Kapadeep, Kadapis one. He established the glorious of tribals. He merged southern Afghanistan, Kabul, Kandahar, and part of the Patlia in the area. He adopted Vedic religion. Students, next we are talking about Bhima Kadapis. He ruled a large part of India, and he was also follower of the Shivas. बाय द उनके जो कॉइन्स है उनको देख के अगर हम बताएं कि वो त्रिशूल, त्रिभुजा, और ही वॉज प्रोटेक्ट द नंदी, and he was the first person who circulate gold coin in the name of the first time in India. Later next we are talking about the Kanishka. He was an important ruler of India. According to tradition, 4th Buddhist council has held in this era, and presidentship of Acharya Parshama in a Kanishka time. His capital was Peshawar at that time, and the second capital was Mathura. He started new era in 78 AD, which is renowned named by the Shakas era. Kanishka conquered Kashmir and established a new town known as the Kanishkapuri. Now this one is the Kanishka person, the name of the king. He was also by this statue you can say that he was wearing a robe up to the knees with heavy boots. He on a copper coin, Kanishka has been shown performing sacrifice at the altars. His royal court of Kanishka Buddhists like Parshavas, Vasumitra, and Yashwagosha, famous mathematician like Nagarjuna, and renowned surgeon like Charka were present in his era. He is also Mahayana sect of Buddhism and advantage and spread during Kanishka region. Next, I want to show the Kushala Empire's map. And now this is the Kushana Empire's Kanishka's coin. This is the coin which is I have found in the era time. Next is about the assimilation. Now it's the last part of this chapter. Let me tell you this one also. The Shakas, Hunas, and Kushalas, all three are the foreign tribals. Students, make in your mind this were the foreign tribals. Due to the liberty policy of Indians, this tribals clan became a part of the society, and Kushan rulers were a follower of Vedic religion, and they were also revered Lord Shiva, and later the last service of Buddhists done by the Kanishka, and who was a great ruler in India. Now student, Sujata madam is signing out. Have a nice day. See you later.